Hey there, if you want to fake save in chat not showing in your snaps on Snapchat, then here's how to do it. First, you just need to open your Snapchat here. For example, this is a video, snap video that I have captured. So I want to send it. So if you send it with these two settings, then the receiver can't save your snap photos or videos. So you just need to avoid those. So if you want that person to download your snap photo and videos, then you have to avoid these two options. So make sure that you select it for play ons or bounce, so that person can easily save your device, save your video from here, this play once option. And if you set it as loop, this icon, the loop, then it won't allow that person, the receiver, to save this video or photo on their device, so they cannot get the save button on the snaps. So there's another option is you can just actually from the photos, this is actually for the photos, you can just tap on photo and capture a photo, a snap. So if you set it as a no limit, if you send it as no limit, then the receiver can easily save your photos, your snap, to their device. But if you set any timer or number from here instead of no limit option, then they can actually download this snap on their device. They won't be allowed to download it from Snapchat. So there will be no save button available in Snapchat. So that's how you can just fix save in chat not showing in your snaps on Snapchat. Hope you got this episode. Then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.